Meme coins have always been one of the fastest ways to make money in crypto. But here's the truth nobody tells you straight. Being consistently profitable from trading is actually very hard. There are so many scams, so many rug pulls happening on almost every coin. It's not easy to build that eye for trading. That's exactly why I stopped trading and switched to deving instead. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars just by launching meme coins instead of trading them. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use, completely free, step by step, nothing hidden. Let's get straight into it. Looking for a free boost to get started? Make sure to stay until the end. I'll randomly drop multiple souls somewhere in this video and you won't want to miss your chance. And yeah, guys, honestly, I don't really see anyone else on YouTube breaking it down like this. I'm going to show you a full live example by the end of this video. I've personally made millions in the meme coin market, all from deving, so I actually know what I'm talking about here. Now look, meme coins have always been a legit way to make serious money in crypto. That part is true. But what people don't talk about enough is how hard the trading side really is. It's difficult to find coins that aren't scams and that will actually go up. It's not easy at all. I'm sure most of you already know that. The reality is most traders are not profitable. But on the other side, the devs are just launching coin after coin. They launch, build hype, and then dump on the traders. They cash out when the momentum is high and move on to the next one. And the crazy part is, they have nothing to lose because launching a meme coin costs almost nothing. This keeps happening again and again, and most people never question it. That's exactly why I started deving. The answer is simple. When you trade, you're putting yourself in a position where someone else controls everything. You're buying coins without knowing what the dev is planning. And like I said, the dev can dump on you anytime. Now, I personally have made hundreds of thousands of dollars in this market, and none of it came from trading. It all came from launching meme coins, earning from the activity on my token, and then exiting when I decide. In this video, I'm gonna break everything down live, completely free, no course, nothing hidden, and I'll even do a full live launch so you can see the whole process from start to finish. Now look, choosing the right platform to launch your coin is the most important decision you'll make as a dev. It matters more than the narrative, more than timing, more than anything else. Most people start on Pump.fun, but the reality is you won't get real results there, and both things are connected. Pump.fun is overloaded with new tokens every single hour. The fee system is not in your favor. You don't even fully control your own liquidity, and on top of that, your coin needs to hit around a $35,000 migration level just to move over to Radium. So honestly, what's the point? Instead, I launch all my meme coins directly on Radium, also known as the migrate section. There's more visibility, less competition, and it's much easier to convert viewers into buyers right away. That's exactly why I stick with Radium. And listen, if you want to launch on Radium, don't use Pump.fun, use launchmeme.fun. Every coin you launch there goes straight to Radium instantly. No bonding curve, no extra steps, nothing complicated. It just goes live in front of thousands of traders. Right now, there are around 7,000 people active and trading. If you can convert even a few of them into buyers, that's enough to push your coin and even make it go viral. That's why people are using this launchpad to print. Now, obviously, there are different ways to create a coin on launchmeme.fun. You can build a brand new coin from scratch using a trending narrative, some online story, or even a community idea. It's very simple, anyone can do it. You can also use their free X tracker to turn trending tweets into coins. It's that easy. But in this video, we're using the copy trending coins feature. This is my personal favorite, and I make most of my money from this. Why? Because these coins are already going viral. They already have a strong narrative and attention on Pump.fun. So instead of starting from zero, you just copy what's already working and bring it over to Radium. That's the strategy. And when you combine this with Radium, bro, it's a perfect setup. All right, let's do a live example and see how much we can actually make. First things first, connect your Phantom wallet. That's the most important step. After that, you can hit refresh if you want, and it will show all the newly launched coins. Now just pick one and copy it. I'm going to choose one randomly. Let's go with this one, the Nikita Bor coin. Click on copy to Radium. Now wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. You'll see that warning again, which is completely normal on every launch pad, so just ignore it. Click on proceed, then confirm, check the box, and hit confirm again. And that's it, the coin gets vamped and created. Give it a few seconds, boom, it's live. If I open SolScan for proof, you can see it was created just 11 seconds ago. Everything is working perfectly, everything is legit. Now let's create our liquidity pool. This is where we set up the Radium liquidity pool and basically build the backbone of the coin. This is how we allocate the supply and get our token live on Radium before everyone else, so we're early in control. For the token amount, just click on 90% and you'll see that preset in the middle. That will allocate around 900 million tokens into the pool. Now for the SOL pairing, this is where you're putting a bit of SOL and swapping it into your own token supply. This is what allows you to profit when more buyers come in and the coin gets attention. That's exactly how you make money as the creator. Now put around 0.3 to 1 SOL. And don't worry, you're not losing this. You can always get it back when you exit. Now click on Create Pool. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. You'll see the warning again, just ignore it and confirm. After that, scroll down and boom, the Wood coin is live. Your profits and all the stats will show right there. If you want to check your gains, just click refresh again. As you can see, we're already up $115 in P&L, which means people are buying and the coin is active. Now go to any trading terminal to view your coin. I use Photon, let it load properly, and you can clearly see the volume coming in, lots of transactions happening, but I use promotion tool here. Instead of wasting hours posting everywhere, just go to promote-memes.fun. This platform gives your coin instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. And let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for max reach. You can choose anything. Just make sure you enable include free website. That part is very important. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this one Bor. Select Radium and confirm. Now click Pay and Promote. Your wallet pops up again. Same process. Ignore the warning, click Confirm, and that's it. You're done. Now watch this. Within seconds, it builds a clean website and starts promoting your coin to thousands of traders. And boom, the website is ready. Open it, and you'll see a proper landing page with token details, tokenomics, and chart links. Now go back to Photon and watch your chart start moving live. Oh my God, just look at this. We're easily around $3,000 to $4,000 up already. Bang, bro. Buys are coming in, and some buyers are also selling our coin, but this is okay. Oh my God, more people keep entering. I think we've hit around 5,000 profit already. That's crazy. We made this coin with almost nothing, and now it's doing numbers. This is what happens when your meme is strong and you use the right promotion setup. Real money comes in. Anyways, I'm going to let this coin sit for a bit, let it gain more traction and pump, then I'll come back and show you how to cash out properly. Alright guys, I'm back, and yeah, some people are selling now, but we're sitting at around 6,000 liquidity. That's actually insane. The coin already pumped hard, so yeah, I'm dumping my position now. Go back to launch meme.fun and refresh. As you can see, we're up around 5,000, which is honestly very good. For most people, that's huge. Now click the minus button, select 100% to remove all liquidity, wait for Phantom wallet, ignore the warning, click confirm, and that's it. Done. Now if I open my wallet, boom, $5,855 received. This right here shows it clearly. Deving is way more powerful than trading. If you're still not convinced, I don't know what else will convince you. Go launch your coin before someone else takes your spot. Links are in the description and comments. Peace out. Want a free head start? I'm giving away 1 SOL to help 10-person cover their first dev fees. To enter, first subscribe, second like this video, third comment, rug pull below. I'll announce the winner in 48 hours on my Telegram.
Make sure you're following the Telegram or you won't be eligible to win. Don't miss out. I'm dropping bags in there all the time.